So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPhone 13's eSIM just is not working. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first way to go and fix this problem is to go through and try toggling on and off your airplane mode. So go inside of your settings application of your iPhone 13, scroll over until you see your airplane mode over here, and try toggling this on and off. Most of the time that can probably end up fixing the problem for you too, if you just go through, toggle this on, toggle this off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. You can also try going through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold the volume up button and the side button for about just a few seconds. Go ahead, slide it to power off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Again, for a lot of people, that could very well end up fixing the problem for you too. And you might just want to make sure your cellular data is even on. So hop back into your settings application right over here, scroll over until you see cellular, which is right over here, and then you just want to verify that your cellular data is properly set up and it's on. Sometimes it might not be on, and that can be very well another issue you might run into here as well. So just double check and make sure that that's on, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing. If those things aren't working, you can also try updating your iPhone. So go inside of your general settings, software update, try updating your iPhone, and that could probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.